Alrighty, let's get creative with this week's flower recipe. Snapdragons, the xanthus, the kale, peach sticks, and magnolia foliage. Just giving a little bit of a trim to all of your flowers is always the first step after unpacking them. First up, insert the magnolia just into the neck. So you've got one taller and one shorter. We've got the peach sticks, which is something a little bit different. This will add height and a wonderful little bit of extra texture. With your snapdragons, we need to remove some of the foliage that's going to sit in the water level. You can just use your hands and just pull them off. The snaps are going to sit nice and tall at the back, like little soldiers. The purple kale, you will need to remove a little bit of the height. And then again, just weave them amongst the other stems. You might need to give it a wiggle. Just to get it in. A bit of trim. Pop him. Just in the front. And there you have it. We've got to be creative this week with this week's recipe.